विभिन्न समय कहुच्छी जे केउ बयसर रोगी को कोरोना संक्रमण हों प्रति विपद रोचे अनेक चर्चा हेले ए संपर्क में सूचना देते आईसीएमआर डीजी आईसीएमआर अर्थात इंडियन काउंसिल ऑफ मेडिकल रिसर्च देश में भेषज विज्ञान संपर्कित सर्वोच्च गवेषणा संस्था ए संस्थार मुख्य बलराम भार्गवंकर कहवा कथा होछि जे कोरोनार प्रथम लहर सहित प्राय समान रही द्वितीय लहर संक्रमण एबे भी 40 वर्षरू अधिक वयस्क 70% अधिक संक्रमित अर्थात कोरोनार द्वितीय लहर युववर्ग को टार्गेट करुवा नहीं जो आलोचना होछि ताको खंडन करिसेंते डाक्टर भार्गव कहिसेंते 16 ରୁ 19 वर्ष पर्यंत 5.8% संक्रमित होइछंती प्रथम लहर रे यह 4.2 थिला सेपरे 20 ରୁ 40 वर्ष पर्यंत 25% संक्रमित होइछंती जहाँ प्रथम लहर रे 23% थिला मृत्यु हार मध्य पाखापाखि समान रहिछि
and higher proportion of admitted patients presented with breathlessness that I have already
द्वितीय लहर रे युववर्गर आक्रांत को अधिक संक्रमित करुवा जो खबर आसी सठिक नुहे बोली कह जाइछि आ एबे भी 70% रु अधिक संक्रमित होउछन्ती 40 वर्षरू अधिक
from the data that we have just now.
Sir, do you see this as a milder version of the previous one, or do you see it as a stronger version of it?
Older population continues to be more vulnerable to be admitted in the hospital and to have problems. So that is very clear from this data of the National COVID Registry, which we have analyzed from August till April. August, September, October, November was the first wave, and now the second wave, which is in March, April, which we're looking at. Only marginally higher proportion of patients of younger age group was involved. 0 to 19 years, the difference was 5.8% versus 4.2%. And 20 to 40 years was 25% versus 23%. So there is marginal difference in this. But more than 70% were above or equal to 40 years of age in both the waves. Higher proportion of asymptomatic individuals got admitted in this wave, and higher proportion of admitted patients presented with breathlessness that I have already told you, and higher requirement of oxygen was found in this wave. And there was no difference in the percentage of death between the first wave and the second wave from the data that we have just now.
Sir, do you see this as a milder version of the previous one, or do you see it as a stronger version of it?
Very clearly, we find that the symptoms are much less. As I mentioned, the symptoms of joint pain, fatigue, muscle ache, loss of smell, sore throat are much less compared to the first wave. However, shortness of breath is higher in this. So this is some data from the hospitalized patients which we've analyzed, and we will also be putting it up on our site, the ICMR site, so that it is available to everyone as well.
And as far as spread of infection is concerned, sir, any comments you like to make?
Yeah, we are finding, we cannot exactly say what is driving this epidemic, but what clearly we can say is that we have tremendous amount of laxity. We have had the COVID inappropriate behavior, and we've had and identified various mutations. Some of the mutations which are of concern, which are the UK variant, the Brazilian variant, and the South African variant, which have been demonstrated to have higher transmissibility. We have also found a double mutant, which has been found in several countries, 10 countries at least, which is also been found in India, the double mutant, but the higher transmissibility of this is not established. We find that the symptoms are much less. As I mentioned,
केउ बयसरू
symptoms of joint pain, fatigue,
केउ बयस पर्यंत
smell, sore throat,
वर्ग को अधिक कोरोना संक्रमण होउछि और कहा उपरे अधिक विपद रहिछि से नहीं अनेक खोलताड़ और तर्जमा चली हेले ए संपर्क में आईसीएमआर डीजी किछि मंतव्य रखिछन्ते।
so this is some data.
आईसीएमआर होउछि इंडियन काउंसिल ऑफ मेडिकल रिसर्च देश रे भेषज बा डाक्तरी विज्ञान संपर्कित गवेषणा करुवा सर्वोच्च संस्था। ए संस्थार मुख्य होउछन्ति बलराम भार्गव। तांकर कहवा कथा होउछि जे कोरोनार प्रथम लहर सहित द्वितीय लहर प्राय समान रहिछि एबे भी 40 वर्षरू अधिक वयस्क 70% अधिक संक्रमित होउछन्ते अर्थात कोरोनार द्वितीय लहर जो युवा वर्ग को छोट पिला अधिक संक्रमित करुछि बोली कहा जाउछि आलोचना होउछि ताकु से खंडन करिसन्ते। डाक्टर भार्गव कहिसन्ते जे 16 ରୁ 19 वर्ष पर्यंत 5.8% संक्रमित होउछन्ते प्रथम लहर रे यह 4.2% थिला। सेपरि 20 ରୁ 40 वर्ष पर्यंत 25% संक्रमित होउछन्ते जहाँ प्रथम लहर रे 23% थिला। मृत्यु हार मध्य पाखापाखि समान रही। केवल द्वितीय लहर रे आक्रांत को श्वासक्रिया रे समस्या होउछि आ ऑक्सीजन रो आवश्यकता पड़ुछि।
Yeah, the double mutant, but the higher transmissibility of this is
तेणु
not established.
प्राथमिक पर्यायर जो कह जाउतला युवा वर्ग और छोट पिला द्वितीय लहर रे अधिक संक्रमित होउछन्ते ताकू
Admitted in the hospital
खंडन करुछन्ते।
to have problems. That is very
इंडियन काउंसिल ऑफ मेडिकल रिसर्च रो
national COVID registry, which we have
मुख्य
analyzed from August.
तांकर कहवा कथा होउछि बा संस्थार मुख्य बलराम भार्गवकर कहवा कथा होउछि जे प्रथम लहर और द्वितीय लहर प्राय समान और द्वितीय लहर रे मध्य वयस्क लोके अधिक संख्यक संक्रमित होउछन्ते।
Only marginally higher proportion of patients